Take a look at this 1999 Mercedes SL500. Beautiful convertible that does have the hard top as well as the soft top. This car has been in our area since 2003 when the second owner purchased it. Out of Missouri is where it originally was sold new, Shawnee Mission. So sold new in Missouri. Second owner brought it up to Minnesota here. He was a collector, had this car in his collection. Would drive it once in a while in the summers, not very often. Hence this car has a little over 5,200 miles on it. And it really shows. You can take a look at the interior pictures, engine bay, underneath the car. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. This car new window sticker on it was a little over 88,000. It was 88,165. In those still pictures, you can check out the window sticker and see the owner's manual and everything is still with this car. Take a look at the top. Yeah, it's got a few wrinkles just from it being folded up in the down position, but just absolutely just like new. It's the same way as the interior. Take a look at this interior. Floor mats, carpeting, all of it just beautiful. There's the owner's manual with everything in there, including the window sticker. If you'd like to give us a call, have any questions on this vehicle, maybe you'd like to know about transportation, or feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. You can see the luster of the black paint with the ceiling fan and the rafters up above in the ceiling. This car also had the option, it has the panoramic roof. So it's a kind of a glass, as you can see there, you get the reflection at the glass hardtop roof that goes in it. FYI, the stand, that's for our shop here for display purposes, so the stand does not go with the purchase of the car or that roof. We'll shift the car to you, the roof on it. I'm also going to start it up so you can hear it run, and we'll run that top down so you can see the function on it and everything works properly. Go ahead and check out the driver's side seat too. I mean, just look at this. Obviously it confirms what the miles say. Hardly anywhere, if any. Again, take a look at the floor mats and the carpeting. Let's go ahead and fire this up and run that top down a second here. There, as you can see, is the miles, 5,225. Fired up. If you're familiar with Mercedes, this here is the top button. I'm going to pull it back. It rolls the windows down. And you can see it go down completely. Also see how nice shape the headliner inside the convertible top was. We'll stop it there and I'll roll the windows the rest of the way down. The radio and everything functions, not locked, although the lock code is in the owner's manual if you'd happen to need it. Power antenna works properly also for the radio. And there you can see the top going down is complete. Radio antenna up since the radio is on. Hear how smooth it runs. The car was serviced by the last two owners. It is ready to go. Turnkey 1999 Mercedes SL500. Check out the still pictures once again. uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726.